Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to make butter chicken in instant pot. Here we have 1 pound of chicken, boneless, skinless chicken breast, cut it into 1-inch cubes. We have half a cup chopped onion, 4 medium sized tomatoes, 1 teaspoon garlic minced, 1 teaspoon ginger minced. Here we have other ingredients: half a teaspoon turmeric, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaves, dry methi leaves, 10 almonds soaked in water and peeled the skin, half teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika. We can use Kashmiri chili or paprika. This is for give the color. And coriander leaves for garnish. We have 1 tablespoon of butter and 1 tablespoon of cream, heavy cream. First, we are going to marinate the chicken. We are going to marinate with the salt and pepper and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Cornstarch is for crispy texture. Now we mix it well and it's going to marinate for 5 minutes. First we are going to fry the chicken in butter. For that we have to put instant pot in saute mode. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. We are going to add little bit of oil. Once it's melted, we will add chicken. Butter is melted, we are going to add chicken now. We are going to fry this for 5 minutes until it becomes light brown. Chicken is fried. Let's add paprika to get the color and fry for 1 more minute. We added 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now rest of the paprika is for gravy. We'll add it later. Chicken is fried now. Let's take it out and start making gravy. For making gravy, set the instant pot to saute mode again. Once the pot is hot, add oil. Once the oil is hot, add chopped onion. And cook for 2-3 minutes. Onion is fried. Add ginger, garlic. Cook for 1 more minute. Now we are adding tomato. And almonds. Cook for 5 minutes. Tomato is cooked well. Now we add other ingredients: turmeric, paprika, red chili powder, garam masala. Let's cook this for 2 more minutes to get all the aroma out. Masala is cooked. Let's add salt, half teaspoon salt, and we are going to add half a cup water to get a thick gravy. Now we will blend this in the blender. We are going to blend it into gravy. Blend this well and grind it into smooth gravy. Gravy is nice and smooth. Now we are going to cook the chicken in the gravy. Let's add another half teaspoon of butter and cook with the chicken for 5 minutes. Chicken is cooking in the gravy for 3 minutes now. We are going to add dry methi leaves and fresh coriander leaves. We will cover this now. Make sure remove the whistle and cook for 2 minutes in saute mode. Butter chicken is almost ready. Let's add cream. Now we will add secret ingredient, ketchup. We are going to add 1 tablespoon of ketchup. This gives the tangy taste. You can add lemon juice also. Now it's cooked for 1 more minute and it's done. Chicken is cooked in the gravy. Butter chicken is done now. It is ready to be served. Butter chicken cooked in instant pot. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and found it useful, subscribe to get instant notifications.